The Hellenic aerospace industry is already preparing the Kentavros 2 for soft kill, hard kill systems, and the Hyperion for special forces and M113. New developments, therefore, accurately reflect the strategic shift of the Hellenic aerospace industry and the Hellenic armed forces in addressing modern asymmetric threats, with an emphasis on fiber-optic drones, which are not affected by conventional jammers. In the foreground, we have the Kentavros 2 system, which integrates soft kill and hard kill systems for comprehensive protection. The addition of hard kill options is critical, as optical sensor drones do not rely on radio frequencies and bypass conventional jammers. Our Navy aims to acquire 45 systems to equip the main strike units of the fleet, while Cyprus wishes to obtain 4 systems to strengthen its own air defense. There is also strong interest from countries outside the sensitive European Union due to the operational success of the first Kentavros in the Red Sea. At the same time, the hard kill systems will be integrated into the Hyperion system to protect the fast boats of the Underwater Demolition Command and the amphibious commando units. The land version will be certified on M113 tracked vehicles and Leonidas vehicles, creating a mobile anti-drone umbrella for the maneuver units of our Army. The main features that make it suitable for land deployment are as follows. First of all, it consists of 4 jammers, each covering 90 degrees, offering immediate and continuous protection in critical areas. At the same time, it has the ability to detect and neutralize enemy drones at distances reaching up to 10 kilometers. This makes it a game changer in the war against drones, especially for our country. That was the video. If you liked it, you can subscribe to the channel to get notified about every new video.